Hey guys! Today I'm diving into something super fun, making your very own teddy bear from scratch. Trust me, if you love crafts, you're going to adore this one. First up, grab some soft fabric. Fleece or old t-shirts work perfectly. Sketch out a simple teddy bear shape on the back of your fabric. It doesn't need to be perfect. Fold your fabric in half, pin it and cut out two identical shapes. Next, with the fabric pieces facing each other, stitch around the edge, leaving a little gap at the bottom. Don't stress if your stitches aren't pro level, it just adds to the homemade charm. Once you've stitched, flip your bear right side out through that gap. Now comes the fun part, stuffing. Use polyfill or scrap fabric to fill your teddy, making it as cuddly as you want. Once you're happy with the fluff factor, sew up the gap. For the face, grab some embroidery thread, buttons, or even felt scraps. Give your bear a cute little nose, eyes, and maybe a smile. This is where your creativity takes over, so go wild. If you want to add a bow, tiny clothes, or even a little heart, now's your chance. Each bear turns out totally unique, and that's the magic. And there you have it, a handmade teddy bear ready for hugs or gifting. If you try this out, let me know how your bear turns out. Happy crafting! And remember, your imagination is the best tool you've got.